Alright, so we've got a seat frame, seat from a Perception Outlaw 11.5. And I think this is a pretty common problem. Strap broke on me. So what I'm going to do is replace the strap. I don't know how available these are, but I found a off-the-shelf hardware store option. So these are from Home Depot. Hopefully you can see that. It's a Cam Jam, 6 foot. It's like 17 bucks for 2 of them. But I think anything with a 1-inch wide strap will probably work. So what we're going to do, either use scissors or a sharp knife. I'm going to use a knife. This knife's really sharp. Cut your old strap off all the way. Take your new Cam Jam. I'm going to cut this piece off because I don't think it's going to be used. So cut the little rubber piece off there. And what we're going to do is thread it through like so. Thread it through. The cam buckle. And these are pretty neat. They've got a pretty good little end that those can go through to keep the strap tag end down. Alright, so we're going to leave a couple inches of tag end here. We're going to cut this off at a slight angle. Now we are going to take our lighter wind out here. Melt the end of the strap. And I've got a glove here and I'm just going to kind of flatten that out a little bit. And we're good to go. Alright, so we're just going to do the other side now. We got the old one cut off there. We're going to make sure we've got our strap oriented properly. We're going to feed this through. Feed this through again so that our strap comes up like this. Let's get the buckle up towards the middle. Feed through the cam buckle. Pull that through. Keep your strap nice and flat. You don't want any twist in it. Cinch your other one down to match. About the same. Once again, we're going to cut the strap off. Leave a couple inches. Lighter. Another way you could do this is if you have an old knife that you can heat up. They actually make a hot knife for this. for cutting straps, but you could take an old knife and heat it up. Just be really careful not to burn yourself. And then take our wet glove here. Alright, so these are 700-pound straps. I really doubt they're going to break anytime soon. But that's how you replace the straps on the Perception Outlaw 11.5 seat. Like I say, I'm pretty sure this is a common problem. So let me hold this up there for the camera to see. And that is a Night Eyes cam jam strap. Just a close-up video, what it should look like. And I'll do a couple of shots here of the side view. Alright, so that's what it's going to look like when you get done. Say, one of the key things here is burn the ends of the strap, keep them from unraveling. Don't have to burn them a lot, just a little bit. Alright, thanks for watching.